Good morning, children. How are you? Children, welcome back to our third lesson, the keyboard. Before going to lesson, really I am very happy to say you completed first slip test. Children, next time everybody should participate in. Children, see previous I explained keyboard keys also. Once again I will explain because this is third lesson of our textbook. Children, today I am going to explain about types of keys, space bar, tab keys, enter key. Types of keys. See on the keyboard there are 5 types of keys are there. Alphabet keys, numeric keys, cursor keys, function keys and special keys. Alphabet keys. So alphabet keys, there are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z. These are arranged in random manner on the keyboard. So here the first 6 keys from the left side are arranged in with Q, W, E, R, T, Y. QWERTY. See QWERTY keyboard. See that's why keyboard is called QWERTY keyboard. This type of keyboard was invented by Christopher Landon Solly. Next one is new number key. Next one is number key. See, number keys helps to type a separate number. These keys are also called as numeric keys. There are 2 sets of number keys on the keyboard. First set is above the alphabet keys. Second one right side of the keyboard. Now cursor keys. There are 4 types of cursor keys are there. Up arrow, down arrow, left side arrow, right side arrows. Next function keys. These are 12 function keys from F1 to F12. Each function key has a different job to do. Next special characters. See special characters means addition, subtraction symbol, question mark, semicolon. So many special characters are there. Next one is space bar. The longest key on the keyboard is known as space bar. It is located below the keyboard, long horizontal. It is used to give spaces between the words or letters. It gives only one gap will come. Suppose for example, if you want to write your name and initial and your name between, if you want to give gap, you must use the space bar. Next one is tab key. The tab key allows the cursor to jump 5 spaces forward. See children, that means 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. If you use space bar, it gives only one blank space will come. If you use tab key, 5 spaces gap will come. Next one is enter key. The enter key is used. What is the enter means what? To get the next new line. Suppose for example, when you are writing and the classwork, first 2 line after completing, how will you come to next line? You are lifting your hand and you are starting second line beginning. Like this only enter key. Enter key is used to start typing from a new line. Children, enter key is also called as return key. Enter key is also called as return key. Children, watch this video twice or thrice, we can understand. For example, first open any word processor software. See children, this is keyboard. See, observe, these are alphabets, numeric left side, function keys, cursor keys, special characters. These are special characters. Now, see what I told. The first six keys from the left side. Q, W, E, R, T, V. QWERTY keyboard. Who invented this one? Who invented? Who? Sicilian? Christopher Latin. See, Christopher Latin invented QWERTY keyboard. See, find out here 1, 2, 3, 0 to 9. Here also 0 to 9. See, suppose if you click on the numeric button, see that is numeric button. If its signal is on, you will get the numbers upper operators. Otherwise, lower operator will be printed. See, 1, 2, 3. Other keys also there. Up arrow, down arrow, left side and the two. See, these are called navigation buttons. Navigation buttons. We can move around the screen. Next, functional keys. See, top are the functional keys. These are 12 functional keys from the F1 to F4. Each function keys is a work in different actions. It's not a fixed definition. See, next one. Now, how do you use the space bar? Space bar, what I told, it gives one blank space. DAV. See one. See V and C between only one gap is there. Now I am increasing two gaps. Wherever you want to give space, you must use the space bar. Next, tab. See, see them. That is tab key. That is tab key. Now, how to use I will show you. First again you type any word. See, DAV. D after I press tab key. It gives a 5 spaces. Space. If you want to give more space, you must press tab key. Otherwise, space bar key. Okay, space bar key. Now understood what is the difference between space bar key and tab key? See, tab key gives 5 blank space, whereas space bar gives only 1 blank space. Next, enter key. What I told, enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next new line. See, vertical line is there now, that is called cursor. See, DAB, public, press enter key. See, if you press 2 times, you will get 2 line space. DAB public school. See, gap is there now. First line, third line, fifth line. I have given two times I pressed that one. 2 lines gaps. I have given 2 lines gap. Children, today's assignment is first jumbling word you read it. Down hint is there. First one I will explain. It is a set of 26 keys. See, just now I explained what are the set of 26 keys. A to Z. Okay, A to Z we call. You only find out A to Z are called. That is answer. Next, 0 to 9. Totally how many numbers are there? 10. Find out the answer. It is vertical mark on the monitor. That is called dash. That is moving around the screen. You can go up, you can go down, left side, right side. Find out what is the answer. Thank you children. Once again I will meet in the next class.